Hello, this is Victor, StoryMercedes.com. Mark, this is for you. I finally got your unit on the bench test for quite a long time, and this was a very difficult unit. So let me just go over with the test. So first thing is that the unit is energized. It's been on the bench for a long time. So now we have over 100 Fahrenheit, as you can see on the inside of the unit. I'm still finishing up the, actually, you know what, let me show you something. Alright, so what I want to show you here is that the unit, first of all, is connected to my control module, but it does not change the equation. So right now, as I showed you in previous video, the stoppie and the welding job I did is perfect. Unit is energized. As we look up there, we have 4.37 first potentiometer. When I open it all the way, throttle is wide open, 0.45, 0.47. That's the first one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it into limp mode. I want to show you the second potentiometer readout. For that's the reason I have the case open, is I'm going to take the gear out. I'm going to get it into limp. Doesn't even want to go into limp. Okay, here's our limp mode. And like I said, I just want to show you the voltage on the secondary potentiometer, which is the one on top. They will actually be equal with the second potentiometer. So we're opening, and also you see micro switch changes. So when I open the second potentiometer, as you can see, voltage is pretty much actually a little off, because see, when I move the internals, the other one is not following. But anyway, nonetheless, that's the idea. You want to see the potentiometers move with each other. So let's just try to get them to be pretty much as close as we can get them to be. So 0.1 of the volt, yeah, that's about right. It's cutting into my finger, I'm sorry. Alright, so one more time. See, they're not exactly correlated, but on idle they are. Let's just try to open this up. We're also checking the micro switch. That is S1. So that's pretty close. If you ask me, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay, so just so you see it, voltages follow micro switch switches. So the problem was the coil. It's a very difficult job on this particular unit to do the coil. I'm still going to finish off the unit, so I have to still lubricate the gear, put the washers and everything. But what we need to check next will be your computers, actually. Those are the ones. So for that, I just wanted to see if they energize. Just want to put the cover on just a little bit. We don't care for the computer readout anymore, so we're going to unplug your unit and shut the power on that. Okay, so let's start off with this module first, the one with full sticker. I just want to show you that. Let me just plug on my plugs here. Another plug. Just want to do it live, so I did do it once and you see what's happening. The power is already on. I have my micro switch over here ready to go. Okay, so let me, okay, on. Now taking your throttle body, we're going to connect it to your control module. One of these plugs, this is for V12, but I can use V8 on it as well. Okay, on. Alright, so what we need to see is we need to see the plate twitch and activate and the buzzing sound. So here we have it. Here's a power switch, and off it goes. This module energizes. I'm okay with that. Now we're going to move on to the next module, because I think you said that you did buy another module just because you thought that the module was at fault. Because throttle body has good cables, but it was not the wires. That was the internal throttle body fault, and that is corrected now. I fixed that. So just wanna, like I said, I'm gonna do it all live. Just bear with me. So, second module, we know this one energizes. Okay, so this is the one with the sticker. And then this one has half a sticker missing. But nonetheless, doesn't matter for the sticker as long as it works. Let's just plug this in. Okay, next one. That's our power plug. Nothing changed with throttle body connection. Let's put the power on. Here's my little micro switch, and the second module also operates. So both of your modules work, throttle body works, and this whole combination is ready to go. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the throttle body right now. I'm gonna put all this loose parts together, and actually, you know what, I might leave one of your modules energized with this throttle body. I have another throttle body to put on the bench, but I can use one of my modules. So yeah, I'll leave one of them, and let's see what happens. Just let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow I'll give you a call, and then we'll do the payment, and I'll send them back out. Alright, so this is all for me. For now, it's very late at night. It's about 1 a.m. in the morning, so don't mind my voice. So this is all for me for now. Victor here, threestorymercedes.com. Thank you for watching.